Hi. Today, we will see how to create a notes indicator in TradingView Pine script. See, I have applied the indicator on a stock chart. And at the bottom right corner, we see a white label. Nothing is written in it as of now. Now, see this input panel of the indicator. Here, we will have an option to choose the script name. And below that, we will have an option to write any notes regarding this script. I have coded 10 such pairs. This is for TCS stock. This is for HDFC Bank. And so on. For example, the first script is of Reliance. So here, I will write some notes regarding this stock that may be helpful for me in the future. Okay. So now, I have written some notes in the box assigned for Reliance stock. And see here, the same note gets displayed in the white box. This note will only be visible on the Reliance chart. But wait. There is a problem. If I remove this indicator from here, and add the indicator to the chart again, then, we don't see that note anymore. The note is gone from the input panel, also. That is because TradingView refreshes the input panel each time we add the indicator to the chart. So what's the solution? See, write the note here. It gets displayed here. Now, click this option. And select Save as Default. So now, whatever inputs we have in our input panel as of now, those inputs will be saved for the future. Let's add a note for TCS as well. And for HDFC Bank too. Again, click the Save as Default option. Every time you change any input in this indicator, choose the Save as Default option. Otherwise, you will lose your notes. Let's open the TCS chart and check. See, the note related to TCS is shown here. Let's open the HDFC Bank chart and check. See, the note related to HDFC Bank is shown here. Let's open the Nifty chart and check. Nothing gets shown here because Nifty is not one of the 10 scripts in my input panel. Okay. Now that we have understood the working, let's see the code. This is an indicator function with the name Notes Indicator. First, we create a function that creates a small white colored note. It is nothing but a small table with just one cell in it. Then, we create 10 pairs of symbols and text area inputs. From the symbol input, you can choose any script for which you want to write a note. And in the text area, you can write the actual note text. Then, we add those symbols and text areas to separate arrays. And finally, we run a for loop and check if the current chart belongs to any of the 10 symbols or not. Because we want to show a note only on the respective script chart. You can code more such pairs for hundreds of more scripts if you want. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.